Good afternoon, all of you. I am Ritesh Singla. In this series, we are covering UPSC Prelims CSAT 2023 paper. We have already gone through 2 lectures already, and this is the third lecture of the series. In the previous videos, we have discussed till question number 25. Today, we will start from question number 26. If you haven't watched our previous lectures, you can go to our channel and in the playlist, you can find the CSAT playlist. So let us begin our today's lecture. So let's start with question number 26. It says the 3-digit number ABC on multiplication with D gives 37DD, right? So the 3-digit number ABC. So and the number will behave like the number will be 100A plus 10B plus C for some integers, some positive integers. A, B, C such that A is strictly greater than 1, B, C is greater than equal to 0, and A, B, C is less than equal to 9, right? So this should be the case because we need to have a, okay, A is greater than equal to 1. So A is greater than equal to 1 and B and C can be any positive integers and A, B, C must be less than equal to 9. So this is the condition, right? So what it is saying, this number 100 times A plus 10 times B plus C on multiplication with D gives 37DD, right? So what do we have? 100A plus 10B plus C times D is equal to 37DD, which is nothing but 10 cube into 3 plus 10 square into 7 plus 11D, right? This implies 100A plus 10B plus C minus 11 times D is equal to 10 cube into 3 plus 10 square into 7, right? Is it fine now? So it is 100A plus 10B plus C minus 11 times C is equal to 10 cube into 3 plus 10 square into 7. So this is the condition which we get from the given data. But still, you can't really find the value of A, B, C directly. From here only, we can't really go to A, B, C because A has to be in between. Okay, D is also a number, so it should be 0 less than equal to D less than equal to 9. So we have to substitute some value of D and then we have to see how things are behaving, right? That only we can do here. So that is why the option will be, the correct option is, the correct option is option D. The values cannot be determined from here because we do not know D here. Once we have D with us, then probably we could find some values of A, B, and C by comparing both sides. But with this only information, we can't really find the values. Okay. And one more thing in this question, if you just substitute, if we substitute D is equal to 7, sorry, D is equal to 5, then you will see, we'll see A is equal to 7, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 1. satisfies the above. Satisfies the above equation. Or you can see 751 into 5 is equal to 553, which was given. That's a number ABC when multiplied with some number D gives 37DD. Fine. And if you just add these digits, 7 plus 5 plus 1, it is coming out to be 13. And the given digits are 15, 16, and 18. So again, we can't determine the number ABC by the given data. But you can't really substitute these things in the exam time. So that is what we have. We only have this piece of information, and from there, till the moment we do not have values of D or some other condition, we cannot find the values of A, B, C, and D. Fine. Let us proceed to the next question. It is question number 28. It says 125 identical cubes are arranged in the form of a cubical block. How many cubes are surrounded by other cubes from each side? So what the question is saying, you have 125 identical cubes. Say you have 125 cubes of height 111, like 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, and 1 centimeter height. So say this is our one of the cube. Okay, let me make it. So this is one of the cube. Fine. It is not looking like a cube, but assume that it is one of the cubes. This side 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter. Right? And these are arranged in a manner that resulting is also a cubical box. So how, when we know that when the resultant is a cubic box, then the length, breadth, and height again of the new cubical box should also be the same. Fine. So how will it be possible? We have to break 125 cube or in equal part, 3 equal parts, right? So basically it should be some A cube, hence A should be equal to 5. So we should have 5 cubes lengthwise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Then 5 cubes breadthwise, and then 5 cubes this height wise, right? Then you will have a total of 125 cubes, right? Because when we have 5 cubes in the length, 5 cubes in the breadth, so 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5, 25 cubes. Then above that 25 cubes, then above that 25 cubes, and above that 25 cubes, and above that 25 cubes. So total 125 cubes will be there. Fine. Now the question is asking how many cubes are surrounded by other cubes from each side. So there should be a cube. See, this question is all about visualization. If you can visualize how 125 cubes are there and how they're sitting inside a place, then you can find it very easily. Because then what do you need to do? You have to remove one cube from left hand side, one cube from right hand side, one cube from bottom, one cube from top, and then one cube from height top and one cube from low top. So basically you have to remove sides. So at the end, side with it, we will have 3 cubes lengthwise, 3 cube breadthwise, so 3 by 3, and then 3 cubes heightwise. So this pattern will be repeated 3 times. So these are the 27 cubes left. So these are our 27 cubes which are surrounded by other cubes from all the sides. Because when we go from here, say initially we were having 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this cube is not surrounded by any cube in from right hand side. Similarly, this, and this, and this. So we have to remove all these, right? Similarly, these cubes are not surrounded by any other cube from the left hand side. So we have to remove these cube, right? Similarly, these three cubes are not surrounded by any other cube from top. So we have to remove them. And similarly, for these three cubes. So we have to remove them also. So we are left with 3 by 3 cubes. Now imagine we were having 5 layers of these cubes, right? So the topmost layer, it is not surrounded by any other cube from the top, from the bottom, right? And similarly, the topmost layer of the cube is not surrounded by any other cube from the top. So we have to remove those two layers also. So what we will be left with? 3 cubes, 3 by 3 cubes and 3 layers. Those are 27 cubes which will be surrounded by other cubes at each level, right? So we will have in total 27 cubes. Fine. So the answer for question number 28 will be 27. That how many cubes are surrounded by other cubes from each side. Fine. Let us proceed to question number 29. Sorry, 27. It is any of values of x, y, and z. The 6-digit number of the form xyz is divisible by. Okay, fine. So let us proceed. So it is giving us any choice of x, y, and z, and the 6-digit number xyz. How this number will behave? It is xyz. It is nothing but z plus 10y plus 10 square x plus 10 cube z plus 10 to the power 4y plus 10 to the power 5 x, right? It is nothing but z into 1 plus 10 cube plus 10y, 1 plus 10 cube plus 10 square x, 1 plus 10 cube. So what do we have? 1 plus 10 cube is nothing but 1001 times z plus 10y plus 100x, right? So it is saying we can have any choice of x, y, and z, right? So if some number is dividing 10001, sorry, 1001, 1001, if any number is dividing 1001, then it will divide xyz, right? So we need to find the divisor of 1001. Fine. So 7 divides 1001 because it is nothing but 1001 upon 7 is 71304213 1001 divided by 11, it is nothing but 9 and then 1, and 1001 divided by 13, it is 7, right? 13 7 are 91, right? And 917. Fine. So 7 divide 1001, 11 divide 1001, and 13 divide 1001. So 7, 11, and 13 will divide xyz also for any choices of xyz, because this 1001 is independent of these xyz. Fine. So the correct option is option D. Fine. Let us proceed to next question. How many distinct 8-digit numbers can be formed by rearranging the digits of number 11223344 such that odd digits occupy odd positions and even digits occupy even position? See, how many odd digits we have? 1, 1, 3, 3, fine, and then 2, 2, 4, 4. So if you go with the formula of permutation and combination, you might get it wrong, because you might get the formula wrong, or your understanding of the questions can be wrong. So in this case, just visualize it for a minute. If you just give a minute, you will get to know how to solve it. See, we have four odd numbers. We have four odd numbers. And how many odd places we have? First position, third position, fifth position, and seventh position. First, third, fifth, and seventh. Fine. So if I put one here and one here, then we have only one choice. If I put one here and three here, then I will have two choice, 1, 3 and 3, 1. So basically two choice, right? Similarly, if I put 3 here and 1 here, then again I will have two choice, 3, 1 and 1, 3. And if I put 3, 3 here, then I have only one choice. So basically we have 6 choices to put these four odd numbers in these four boxes. Or here you can apply your combination part, 4C2, which is coming out to be 6, right? Similarly, for the even also, you will have 4C2, because you will have four blocks and four numbers where two repetitions each. So it will be 4C2 for that also. It is also 6. So 6 into 6, 36. So we will have 36 choices. Fine. Let us understand this question again. We have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So basically, we have 8 blocks with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it is saying first, third, fifth, and seventh. These should be occupied with odd numbers. And in odd numbers, we have 1, 1, 3, 3. Right? So you have to combination part here. Right? So we have to do the combination part here. 1, 3rd, 5th, and 7th position. And choices are 1, 1, 3, and 3. So 4C2 cross for the even positions. 4C2, which is 6 into 6, which is 36. 36 is the right answer. Fine. Let us proceed to the next question. It is fairly easy question. So if you are not known how to do this work and time questions, you just write it for once, and this trick will help you in solving each and every question. It is saying AC working independently can do a piece of work in 8, 16, and 12 days respectively. So instead of writing in this manner, what you write, A in one day, A can do 1 upon 12 work, right? Then only in 1 upon 8 work. Then only it will be able to do a single work in 8 days, right? In one day, B can do 1 upon 16 work, and in one day, C can do 1 upon 12 work. If you have written this paper, then you in every question which is related to this work and time will be solved. A alone works on Monday, B on Tuesday, C on Wednesday. So they are working A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, and so on. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like this. Fine. A alone again works on Thursday, and so on. This thing go on. Now what it is saying, the work will be finished on Thursday. The work will be finished in 10 days. Right? So see, in one day, only on first day, A has done the work. So 1 upon 8 of the work is done. On second day, B has done the work. B has done the work. And in one day, B do 1 upon 16 of the work. So total In 2 days, they did 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 16, means 3 upon 16 work. Then on third day, C does the work, right? We know that in one day, C do how much work? 12, 1 upon 12 work. So in 3 days, total work done is 3 upon 16 plus 1 upon 12, 48, 9, 4, 13 upon 48. Fine. So in first 3 days, 13 upon 48 work is done. So in 6, total work done will be 13 upon 48 plus 13 upon 48, which is 26 upon 48. Then in 9 days, it will be 13 into 3 upon 48, which is 39 upon 48. Right? Now on 10th day, we will do the work, and the total work will be the total work done by 10th day will be already 39 upon 48 work was done, and in one day A do a 1 by 8 work, which is nothing but 6 by 48 of the work. So basically 45 upon 48 of the work is done, right? So in 10 days the work is not completely done, so basically option 2 is incorrect. Fine. Now on 11th day, B will do work, and the total work done till 11th day will be 45 upon 48, and B do a certain 1 upon 16 work in one day. So nothing but 3 upon 48 work. So basically 48 upon 48, 1. So on 11th day, the work is completely done. On 11th day, the work is completely done, right? So it started on Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 11. So on Thursday, the work is completed, right? So option 1 is correct. So which of the above statement is or are correct? So only one only. Fine. Let's proceed to the next question. It is saying Raj has 10 pairs of red, 9 pairs of white, and 8 pairs of black shoes in a box. So in one box, there are 9 pairs of red. 9 pairs of red. See, here it is written pairs of, so basically 18 red. Sorry, 10 pairs of red. So basically 20 red. 9 pairs of white. So basically 18 white. And 8 pairs of black. So basically 16 black. So in total we have 54 shoes in the box, where in which 20 are red, 8 are white, and 16 are black, right? If he randomly picks shoes one by one from the box to get a red pair of shoes, right? to get a red pair of shoes to wear. What is the maximum number of attempts he has to make? Like how many attempts he has to make in order to get a red pair of shoes, right? So what it should be? How is it? How can we do it? So it is possible, since we have 16 black shoes, so it is possible, and say 18 white, so we have 34 shoes which are not red, which are not red. So it is possible that in first 34 draws he does not get a red shoe, right? It is clearly possible because there is already 34 shoes which are not red, right? But on 35th draw, on pickup, you can say pickup, he will definitely have a red shoe, right? Fine. But it is saying, the question is saying that he has to get a red pair, right? So pair is important in this question. Red pair of shoes. So to get a pair, he should have a 36th draw also. He will get another red shoe. Hence, at max, in 36 pickup or draw, he will have a red pair of shoe, right? So option B is correct. Fine. See, CSAT is all about understanding the questions. Once you have understood the question, then it is pretty easy. Now, let us proceed to the next question. It is asking, in how many ways can a batsman score exactly 25 runs? By scoring single runs, fours and sixes only. So he can score single, yani ki 1, 4 and 6. These are the only numbers he can score, irrespective of the sequence of scoring shots. Fine. So we have to find the number of ways. How is it possible? 6. So 4 sixes plus 1 single, 25, right? Or 3 sixes plus 1 4 plus 2 singles, right? 25. 3 sixes plus 0 fours, right? Plus, so yeah, it should be 3 plus 7 ones, again 25. Now 2 sixes plus 3 fours plus 1 single, 25. 2 sixes, 2 fours, 5 singles, 25. 2 sixes, 1 4, 9 single, 25. 2 sixes, 0 4, 13 ones, 25. Then 1 6 plus 4 fours plus 3 ones, 25. 1 6 3 4 plus 7 1, 25. 1 6 2 4, 11 ones, 1 6 1 4, 11, so 15 1, 1 6 0 4, 19 1, 25. So see, when you are listening to this solution, you will see that it is very time consuming, right? So 0, 6 plus 6 times 4 plus 1 time 1, 25. But you don't need to do all these things. You just need to see 4, 6, only one choice. 3, 6, and 1, 4. So 2 choice. Fine. 2, 6 starting with 3 fours. So 3 choice. Because you have to just reduce the number of fours. So 3, 2, 1, 0. 4 choice. Right? Then 1, 6 starting with fours. 4 fours. So basically 5 choice. Then 0, 6 is starting with 6 fours. So basically 7 choice. So 7 plus 5, 12, 14, 12 plus 4, 16, plus 2, 18, plus 1, 19. So 19 is the correct answer. Because see, we have arranged a pattern. Initially, we started with 4, 6. That is the maximum 6 he can take in 25 runs. Then only 1, 1, 0, 4, right? 25. Then we started with 3, 6. If he have already scored 18 with 3 sixes, then he can score at max 1, 4, right? So 1, 4 and 0, 4. Then if you start with 2 sixes, then he can score at max 3 fours. So 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 0, 4. So 4 choices. Similarly, if we start with 1, 6, then he can score at max 4 fours. So if he can score at max 4 fours, so 4 times 4 fours, 3 fours, 2 fours, 0, 1 fours, and 0 fours. So basically 5 choices. And when we start with 0 sixes, then he can score at max 6 fours. So basically 7 choices with 0 6. So 7 plus 5, 12, plus 4, 16, plus 2, 18, plus 1, 19. You don't need to do any permutation, combination, anything. Fine. So we will stop here, and thanks for watching the lecture. If you find it helpful, please do share with your friends and other UPSC groups and with your other UPSC aspirants. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel if these lectures and videos are helpful to you. Thank you once again.